Man, boy, I'm sorry for him. My man just make him porridge. I say I'm literally there in front of your vehicle. Yeah. The madman, the police them carry him gone, man. So the old man right there, so them talk to him. I don't know what go on, but God is good. I tell you. God is good. I say I literally see this car behind me, I observe it. And when I look back, the front gone. When I look back, the front gone. A serious thing this. And then man there right, I say, man literally just dip him and in him thing and taste it and feel nice. Literally look me up on the man, you know. I will roll off and the vehicle just fly through the corner there, so.
Hold on. It get hurt?
Yeah, man, see man close it up in a vehicle right there, some G.
So them carry him gone?
Yeah, police them gone with him.
There's two drivers them to this.
See one of them this.
Well, the old man?
I think so. I don't know enough, I'm just circle because I in front of me and behind me this, you know. I go where I go around and come back around, you know, G. That means I right there's somebody with this there and it light change. Yeah man, no, it not stop me man, but I was more concerned about the madman that did the right here, so I think he broke it, he broke him leg or something like that. Yeah. So the intersection of Gasha Park, Waltham and Mullines Road here in Crawford Tragedy. Madman close each up in that. Live on the scene. This did right behind me. Right behind me.
So you get licked too?
No, me move off as me move off the man ras this.
Yeah, I see the man.
Why white pro boxer in? Are you this?
No,
How are the boxer? That's so much vehicle in an accident there. This a man has squeezed on the corner there, so.
What, this?
Yeah.
What me that do?
Me don't know when that's a flight.
I see him now, I see when he lift up him man that's saying now. I see them I come head on in and I see them I come head on and me keep him beside of me car. Head on, he come head on in and so me keep beside. Yeah, so me keep beside of my car now and I see them I come head on straight in and me.
Yeah, me say me come out highway, come out highway. Come out highway. Come out highway. Yeah, I mean by why?
Yes, my listeners and my subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So we see the accident here with them two vehicles collide. As what I say, as you can see, I want elder drive the vehicle and them I say the another man with it in there and the madman, police carry them go to the hospital. So you see sometime them elder them have this big hybrid vehicle where fast with them cannot manage. You have some of the women them too and some of the elder people them see them a drive and them barely can manage the road. Sometimes them have somebody a drive with them. You understand me? I say cause the vehicle where them have bigger than them. Sometimes even in a overtaking you can see say yo some people them new to the road. Sometimes you looking at a car you can see say it's a woman or a elderly man. You understand me? I say sometimes too you will drive an old person a drive front of you. You say yo who this, how can I drive in this? As well I say by the time I drive around here I see say I'm an elderly man or one woman in it. You see me? Them for stop give them big hybrid vehicle for drive. Them need some nice little vehicle where them can manage on the road. And most of the people in Jamaica buy them license, you know. And some of the Jamaica them need to go learn to drive and learn the road code. Yes, some of them need to learn the road code because some of them not really ready for the road yet. None of them where they on the road, them not for they on the road. Me I tell you, and the government too need to sort out some of them pothole and fix the road them good cause people every week or every month people have to buy parts and buy things for them vehicle because them bad road that with the government have out here. You barely can drive all a good vehicle on the road. So me I tell some of my people, you see if you say you want shampoos around Jamaica, you buy a Pro Box because of them right now. Me see I care we're ready for Jamaica and build for Jamaica. But if now say you have a top vehicle and them something damn bound and go drive every week or every year, month, you have for a service that I fix something pan that I buy something pan that. Me I tell you, them patrol can cause accident too. You understand what I say? So a many way to sometimes for some accident, and some of my people money on the road for always look for no judgment them. Always look for the judgment them, because them say a lot of madman must just look out for encourage the youth and say and the accident happen and them thing there. And like the man must get lick on the man shirt in the vehicle. Me don't know if a wicked lick him get, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know. All them things I may tell you, know, my listeners and my subscribers. So when you up on the road, by driving or walking or riding, you know, vigilant, always observe when you're surrounding, always, because car can run off a road, bike can run off a road, any little judgment or anything can happen. Then as I say, this can lose a screw, man cannot have no brakes. You see me? Some just a show no. You now walk on the sidewalk, you now walk on the road, you try to look out when vehicle and truck on them something they pass, you know. So like all some big truck and trailer, you try to stop and look on it a pass, you know. Nobody walk on big trailer, big bus a fly past, you know. Because if that run off of the road, you get licked. Like what day again, me did put up a video with one man a drive. And the man say a man just come over upon him in him lane. I don't know if I overtake him or overtake. The man just come straight over him. The man have to turn, go over back in a film lane and straighten up. But me say watch your father God book on that head and there. So there was a short video clipping, so I never really see if the man did stop and come out or what. So I'm just show you have some man drive up on the road. You just stay there drive and someone just turn, come over and your head on. Same thing, sideways. You be there. Stop on stoplight and turn and go around, and when you look and then a car that come from there see those bloom lick up in your man and run from police again. Run past that light when you that a go out. Me I tell you the road is crazy.